Sustainability on a material level is not the only possibility to reduce the impact on climate. For a holistic approach, the complete material cycle needs to be taken into consideration. And when components are designed today, they need to be also designed for their end of life and even a reuse phase before their recycling. The processing and the product usage have to be included as well, and we have to embrace solutions for repair to extend the product's lifetime. Companies and large corporations actually say out loud, let's work together to tackle this problem. We cannot do it alone, which is unthinkable, I would say, in other research areas. And this makes me hope that there is real interest, and this is absolutely my opinion. We all have to work together. It has to be a team effort, and if, like, when we reach those goals that we set to change climate, then we are all stars, because it can only be done in a team.